what to do if you bought a game on Steam, but after playing it for a while, you realize that it's not worth its money, or someone accidentally bought the game from your account and you want to get your money back. And since there are huge discounts on games in Steam now, most users buy them in packs, not even thinking that their computer may not be able to pull it, or that the game will simply be uninteresting. Okay, let's say you bought a game, played it, and realized that you don't like it, and you want your money back. How do I do that? Plain and simple. First, go to Steam. In the upper left corner, click on Help, then Steam Support. Now you can see a number of games that you have recently played. If the game you want a refund is not in this list, click on Games and Softwares. And there is a bigger list here, and there is a search field that you can use as well. Once you have selected the desired game, click on its icon. Now you need to identify the problem you are facing. For example, let it be, "It's not what I expected." By the way, share in the comments, what's your reason for your own refund? I think everyone would be interested. Now click, "I'd like to request a refund." Now, an important point. If you bought the game with a bank card, you can request a refund back to your card. But if the game cost $5 and on your Steam account was $4 and you decided to pay $1 from the card, then the refund will come to your card as much money as you paid. There are also certain rules for refunding games, namely, you will be refunded if you have played the game for no more than 2 hours, and the purchase was made no more than 14 days ago. If any of the points do not comply with the rules, the refund will not be given. Even if you played 10 minutes in the game, but more than 2 weeks have passed since the purchase, you will not be able to request a refund. But you can apply for a review, but as a result, you will be rejected. One more thing. If the game was given to you as a gift, then as far as I know, you can't get a refund for it. If you apply for a refund, money will be returned to the person who gave you the game. So, after I have told you about these important points, let's move on to the final step. Once we have determined the refund method, we click Submit Request, and within a few days, you will be refunded. But I'll tell you right away, the money that will be returned to you can get on hold, but do not panic. They are just temporarily frozen, and during the day, they will come out of the hold. Write in the comments if you could make a refund, and if you still have any questions while watching this video, ask them in the comments. Give it a like and subscribe if it helped, and see you in the new video.